How many of you listening to my voice right now are like, I guarantee Bitcoin's going up, we're breaking through all-time highs, we're just going to keep going? If you believe that, watch what I'm about to show you. Good morning, guys. Travis Martin here with Trade Confident. I just got done recording a video for our members. I will share with you guys what I talked about because I really feel like you guys need to be prepared for something that could be coming into the market. Some of you guys are looking for a family, you're looking for someone out there to mentor you. I've been in the market since 2016. We hold the highest win record ever recorded on YouTube for scalping trades. We actually just won another trade this morning. You guys will see that in our Telegram channel. I'm not going to show you guys. I just want to get to the meat of this video. Go look at it in our Telegram. I believe it was on Matic. Here's what I talked about this morning. I want you guys to watch this video. Our membership is $59 a month. I'm not going to try to sell you something into the video. I'm going to just tell it to you up front. Watch this. I sold $33,300 worth of alts this week. I've been showing you guys on my YouTube videos here, and Jake's been doing this as well, the dominance charts for the altcoins and Bitcoin. Altcoins are crashing, guys. And there is a depression phase that I really don't feel like people on YouTube, I'm going to say this politely, are doing a good job of showing you guys. It feels like, as I said here, it feels like a lot of people think this is going to be rainbows and unicorns for the rest of the year. But when you look at the last halving event price action on October 21st, 2019, we crashed after tomorrow. Does that make sense? Today is October 20th, me recording this video. If you look at October 21st, the close of the weekly candle, guys, on the past, I know we've sometimes closed on Sundays, but pretty much the close of that weekly candle, we ended up crashing after tomorrow. What I want to talk to you guys about today is, are you set up for a potential drop back down? How many of you listening to my voice right now are like, I guarantee Bitcoin's going up, we're breaking through all-time highs, we're just going to keep going? If you believe that, watch what I'm about to show you. Because I think there needs to be a hedge taken on the crypto market right now, and that is a hedge by getting some money out of cryptocurrency and getting it into cash so you can reacquire lower, okay? What do you guys see as a pattern forming right now? It's very simple, and it's obvious to me, but it may not be obvious to you. So look at this. It's a head and shoulders pattern that's forming. You guys know head and shoulders patterns are one of the most bearish patterns in all of crypto. Where does the head and shoulders pattern usually come back down to? To the start of the left hand shoulder. And ironically, guys, as mentioned in this membership this morning, what happens down at the bottom left shoulder? It is the BTC CME gap down here on the daily time frame between $20,000 to $21,000. And this is where we think we can be heading back down to. Almost every single gap that you guys see Bitcoin prints has been filled. Every single one. We actually can't even have this on the chart anymore because it's already been filled. In fact, look at this one over here. If you guys look at, let me give you guys the study. I'll just make this really fast because I want to see if I can find this and move on to show you something else. Right here. See this gap right here? Price action moved up. Everyone's like, oh, we're going up. We're going to bounce off support. No, Bitcoin literally went down. It didn't need to go down. This is a strong support level right here. It went down and it filled the gap, okay? This is a small example. There's bigger examples where the whole market has shifted down and it's actually come back down to fill gaps. So this is what's called the CME gap. CME gap, Chicago Mercantile Exchange gaps, are what I want you guys to be paying attention to. This is a little snippet about what I talk to you guys about in the future forecast. Please watch it this morning. I coach you every Tuesday and Friday. We are going to be trading up to $1 million worth of profit. Here is my live account here. You can see everything transparent. Here's what I want to talk about now in this video before I end this. And I did a study on this that I want you guys to watch. There are some altcoins, guys, that you're looking at, and I gave an example of Cardano. I won't give it all away. That you guys are looking at this on the daily time frame and you're looking at this on Coinbase and you're like, oh, this thing's at the bottom, and it's not. And I really feel like people are going to be kind of deceived here when they're looking at their charts thinking, oh, look at this. The bottom is in for Cardano. Do you guys know we're all printing a descending triangle pattern right now on Cardano? And do you guys know technically, if you Google descending triangle patterns, what happens to these patterns? They crash to the downside. You all need to understand right now. Let me give you proof of this real quick, and then I won't give you any more away, but I've shown this to you guys on YouTube before. In the membership, we're going to talk about a strategy that we're going to be using to enter back into the market. And I'm going to give you guys, we're actually going to live trade on Tuesday. So get a membership, watch on Tuesday. I'm going to say it a lot. It's going to benefit you. Get over the dollar amount. Give yourself education. Hopefully I can say that strongly. What you guys need to be watching for is charts that you're not seeing other people show you guys on YouTube. We have put in 1 and 2 on the psychology of a market cycle. We have not hit point number 3 yet, guys. And this is the point where I think the altcoins could absolutely crash. And you guys are not ready for this because you're looking at your charts and you're looking at the formation of the bottoms on the wrong exchanges. You need to go to Binance to look at Cardano, guys. There is a bottom that's down at 15 to 17 cents that we could easily hit. It's an over 35% crash and no nobody seems to be talking about it on YouTube. It's the bottoms and we're going up from here. Watch this. Again, if you look at October 21st, 2019, which I'll show you guys in this video, we'll do a deep study of this today, we actually ended up crashing. And then I'm going to compare past halving events of what could be happening going into the rest of the year. Watch these future forecasts, guys. We have charts on here, dozens of charts we will never share on YouTube. We do this on purpose because we want to give our members the most value. But I would at least want to come on here, share with you guys on a Friday what we're talking about so you guys can be like, oh, these guys are diving in deep. We're diving in deep, guys. We have real money on the line. I'll show you guys on Tuesday. We're going to be buying more Mara and Right. These are two Bitcoin mining companies. We're getting absolute steals of prices right now. In fact, it's actually outperformed the performance of Bitcoin. Did you know that? We will teach you guys. We'll be taking trades on Tuesday. Snag a membership. Get the indicators in the description if you guys want to follow along. And it is going to be a good day. Watch Jake's videos that he has coming out. But if you guys really want to dive in with us, follow a group of people here that we're just... Every Tuesday, every Friday, we are trading these markets. We're making the best calculated decisions. We're showing you guys things that you're not seeing on the charts by looking behind the charts. This is where you guys want to be. All right, guys, have an amazing Friday. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the membership. I'll give you guys a pop-up after this, but everything is linked in the description of this video, and we pinned it to the first comment. Congrats, guys. We just won another trade. This marks our 74th win, 0 losses in the last 8 months. We're going to make a running total here, and it's going to be pretty awesome. I'll see you guys later, tradeconfident.io, and I'll see you guys inside the membership. Watch that future forecast. Bye, guys.